Good morning, everybody. So it is Saturday, and I want to see if we can make $100 today. Now, I will be doing a split shift, so I'll let y'all know if we made it. Hopefully, we can make more than that, because your girl really needs it. How y'all been doing? I hope everybody been doing good. So I'll be back when we get our first order. Okay. That didn't take long. So we got our first order together for $14.88 at Target for 5 items. We're going to be shopping for a lot of baby products. Well, not a lot, because it's only 5 items, y'all. Did I say going 5 miles? If I didn't, that's what it is. Okay, y'all, let's go into Target. Okay, y'all, that item was out of stock, so I did take a picture of a similar item, so we're going to see if they want it. We'll see. Let's go finish shopping the rest of them. We shopped the order, y'all. Let's go to checkout. Okay, y'all, we finished shopping that order, so let's go ahead and drive this 5 miles and drop off her order so we can get back at it, y'all. I'm feeling good about today. You know, it's gonna be what it's gonna be like any other day. I hope y'all had a great weekend and ready for the new start of the next week. All right, see you guys at Bruno's house. Yeah, y'all, I was just telling this lady, I did press my hair today, but it's getting poofy. I don't think it's gonna last, y'all. We'll see how it end up during this video, honey. I tried. Saving for them braids still. All right, y'all, let's go on the Bruno house. I just had to tell y'all that. order. He has a nice Aston Martin out there, honey, and we're gonna get some footage of that car too. Let's go. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, let's go back to our area. See y'all on the next delivery. Hey, y'all, we got another Target order. I just had a McDonald's order, but it didn't go through. It declined. It was a good order too, y'all. But we got a better order anyway. I don't know if it's better because we got to shop it. We got to go back to Target. Okay, see y'all at Target. Okay, y'all, the hair is lifting. The hair is lifting, but we gonna make it through this shift, y'all. Okay, y'all, just got through eating my McDonald's. It was good, y'all. I was hungry. I had a deal, okay? Don't judge me. All right, y'all, let's go into Target and shop these orders. Oh, we had a $5 add-on for 3 additional items, too, making this a $15 5-mile total delivery. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we finished shopping the order. Let's head to checkout. Okay, y'all, we got 2 deliveries. We got Deborah and Daisy, y'all. So I will see y'all at Deborah's house. That's our first delivery. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we at Deborah's house. Let's go take her order. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, see y'all at Daisy's house. at Daisy's house. Let's go take her order. Thank you for your order. Go back to our spot. See y'all on the next delivery. This will be our last delivery together too, y'all. We got one more. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we got a $5 1 mile first watch order for Ava. Now, y'all, they ain't never ready. Let's see if they ready, though. Hopefully they are, so we can go ahead and take Ava her food. Let's go. You too. Got the food, y'all. Let's go take Ava her order. This is gonna be quick. It's gonna be like 3 minutes. Okay, y'all, let's go take Ava her food. Hi, I have a delivery for Ava. All right, have a good day. Okay, thank y'all for coming to work with me today. I will take it from here, and later on I'll let you know if we made our goal or not. See y'all in a few. Hey y'all, forgot to come back and tell y'all last night, but we did make our goal. We made over our 100. We made $131.68, I believe. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, before y'all go, I want y'all to say a little prayer for your girl. She will be going to get her biopsy tomorrow. So, you know. So make sure y'all say a prayer for me. Thank you. Bye.